Okay, welcome back guys. So in this section we are basically going to be completing our first task. All you need to do is to watch and pay attention and repeat what I'm doing exactly. Okay, make sure you follow along. So the first thing I want to do now is let's change this page back to 2E. Okay, for now, and I want to hit my frame tool, and right here I want to go to Figma community and I want to choose plugin and file cover. Okay, remember I want to create a cover for our design, so let's click on plugin and file cover. Now it gives us the size. Now it's important to note that when you have this size, don't make the mistake of coming to width or height to change it, because these are default templates. Okay, so you have to make sure you maintain that size. Don't try increasing or decreasing it. Okay, so let's go ahead and give it that color right there, 192D4E. Okay, so we have it right there, 192D4E. And I also want to double click here to change this to cover. So let's rename it to cover. So once you are here, you are good to go. The next thing I want to do right now, I want you to click on the text tool and click. Then I want you to type in Designgate UIUX, then hit enter and type in boot camp. Okay, now for the typeface, I want you to come to this size. Instead of 12, we want to increase it to 128. Right, I'm just going to drop it right here. Remember, you can use this to move things along, align things properly. Okay, and for that particular typeface, I want to make it bold. Okay, so we have bold here. I wanted to pick the text tool again, then type in your name. So I'm just going to put in Wheels Obu. Okay, for this I'm going to make this instead of bold, I'm just going to make it regular. Okay, and for the size, I'm just going to go with 96, and we are here at 96. I'm just going to put it right like this. You can see this guide letting me know that I'm actually on the left part of this particular element. So what we are going to do is to select these two things now. Okay, now you can see once I select these two things, you can see the spacing between them. I want you to increase it to somewhere, drag down to somewhere around 100. You can actually come in here to make it 100. So we have 100 between the two of them. So I want you to right click and select group selection, or Ctrl G for now. Okay, so let's select this and align them properly. Align horizontal center and also align middle. Voila. So if you've done this, congratulations, you've just completed the first task of the day. So how do we convert this to your Figma cover? That is very simple. To do that, all you need to do is to click on that parent frame, right click on it and click on set as thumbnail. And once you've done this, congratulations. What exactly have we done? We've basically given our project a cover page. So when you come back here and you click on back to files, you are actually going to see the cover page right there. Now it's important you do this for your files so that you can easily pick them out, because as time goes on, this place is going to be very populated, okay, with files that you've recently worked on. So the best thing you want to do is to make sure you create a cover for all your projects so you can easily identify them. Okay, that is the end of today's class, and I will implore you to take out some time more and try doing different things, try drawing different shapes, give it color, just try to repeat what we've done so far. Remember, repetition is the key to mastery. Have a nice day.